Okay, testing 1 2 1 2. Right. Hi people. Right, we have now put the brushes in there, as you can see, and then I've got other medias here and foam there, and the pump at the end. As you can still see, the water level is still holding, even with the brushes and all the media in there. So now what I've done is I've connected it the way it's supposed to be connected. Sorry, my phone cut there. I'll leave that to run. I'm actually tempted now to actually maybe put in the fish today. We'll see. I still need to do the line for the air, air line for the air line for the air. I still need to put it in there, the air stone. As you know, this bottom drain does not come with a fitting for the airline, so I have to put my own in. That's not a very big issue. And then I have put, this is what was on here. Most of that rubble, the concrete stuff that I managed to break, I decided, oh, why not put it in the pond and make it more natural. And then also they are useful in terms of beneficial bacteria, because bacteria will grow on them, so which will be a good thing for the pond. I think I'm going to put a bit more, maybe some more there. If I can find some big ones, I will use them, put there. Otherwise, then I can at least use this, and it reduces my rubble so that I don't have to worry about getting rid of the rubble. So yeah, it's looking okay, running okay. There are no leaks on there. The only part where there's a leak is on the bulk filter, which the connector there, it's a bit loose, so it's leaking a bit. So I'm going to sort that out. That's not a very big problem. Right, so we have come a long way. We have come a long way. I may have to start with the fish in the conservatory. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to build a better house for my air pump and my electricity. A smaller thing in the corner that it's out of the way. That is too big. Yeah, so I'm going to transfer the ones in the house first into here and see how that goes. So I'll show you in my next video. Okay guys, progress. We've now put in our first 4 fish. You can see them down there. Yeah, put 4 of them. These were the ones that were inside the house in my conservatory. So these are the first one to go in here. We'll see how these guys get on. I don't know whether I should do the rest of them or do the others tomorrow, but we'll see. So there's our first ones in. So that's 4 of them. I believe it's 2 males and 2 females. Okay, so show you when we do the next ones.